we need to start our today class. First, I want to give you a review about our previous class. So in our previous class, we have learned downloading and installation of R and R Studio. And because we are at very basic stage from zero to advanced, so I will teach you from very basic stage from zero to onward. So when you start from zero to onward, as I already tell you, R is a language. So we first need to learn its vocabulary with the grammar and reading and writing. So I give you examples or daily life examples for successful learning of R. Because in this batch, many participants have a background related to biology. Some participants have other backgrounds like engineering, law, economics, and chemistry. But the main thing is that data analysis is same for all field of studies. So these four things are very important, which we are going to learn throughout whole or complete course. That is, one is reading, writing, editing, and generating. So we will do practice one by one. For example, we do practice for PCA, heat map, dendrogram, correlation, and other type of analysis by using reading a script, writing a script, editing a script, and generating a script. So at the end, when our training complete, you will get all skills and you will be able to do lot of analysis, not only these limited analysis. You will be able to perform multiple tasks and multiple analysis. Now, let's start today class. In our previous class, we also have learned about number of screens. You can see in my case, there are the four screens, that is screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, and screen 4. And these screens have a specific name and specific purpose. For example, here is a screen number 1, and here is a number sign or dollar sign. Anyone can please let me know what is mean by hashtag or dollar sign. If you have attended previous class or first class or which is as a demo, I give its meaning, hashtag or numbers. Can you please tell me what is mean by hashtag or number? Anyone? Heading. Great. Okay. It's mean heading. So after hashtag, I write this sentence. It's mean this is a heading. In line number 2, I after hashtag I write reading, writing, editing, and generating. It's mean it is a heading. It is a not coding of R. It is the not code of R or not code for running any analysis in R. It is just a heading. So when you type hashtag before any sentence, any word, are considered it as a heading. Now we move to next step. Screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, and screen 4. Screen number 1 show, screen 1, 2, 3, and 4. First we see their name. The name of screen 1 is script file. Name of screen number 2, here is also mentioned here console. So second screen name is console. Third screen name is, you can see here is a third screen and it's showing that environment is empty. So its screen name is global environment. So click, type here global environment. And screen number 4. Screen number 4 is, this is the last screen. It is showing packages. So this is a packages screen. So there are 4 screens in R Studio, and each screen has specific name and their functions. So you can see there is the 4 name of these screens. No, we are going to explore their functions. So screen number 1, the function of the screen number 1 is the uh, providing space where we write script or code. For example, I want to calculate 5 or 6 plus 5. Here is a run button. After typing this script, here is a script. R can understand it. 6 plus 5. And press the run button. You can see a changing in screen number 2. We run the script here, but it show its result in screen number 2, that is console. It is showing here is its answer. I hope you will be understand. Screen 1 is for writing a script, and screen number 2 show output of this script in the form of a table, paragraph, text form. Screen number 1 is used for writing a script, while the answer of the script is given in screen number 2. Like, for example, I type here again 6 plus 5. Now run this code. It show error. It's showing that object 6 not found. It's mean there is no word 6 in our vocabulary. There is the no word 6 in our vocabulary. So we need here to do coding. For example, I type here 6 less than minus. Here is another vocabulary word of R, less than minus. It's mean equal. It's mean equal. 6 is equal 6. And run this code. No. Again, type 6 plus 5. And no, run it again. No, it's work. It give us 11 answer. But when we type 6 plus 5, it give us error. 6 is not found. But when we write a coding 6 less than minus 6, then it show us a result 11. What happens here? Actually, this symbol is very important. It is a vocabulary word or word of our language. It's mean equal. Or you can use or say it is as giving naming. Okay. No, you have maybe clear. Here is today we have learned 2 vocabulary word. One is hashtag or number sign, and second is less than minus. So less and minus sign is used when you use coding or create script. So it is very important term. It's mean equal or giving naming. We we allot a name 6 to 6. For example, if you allot 10 equals 6, run it. No. Again, run this line 6 plus 5. It give you answer 15. While we are typing here 6 plus 5 should be 11, but it's showing answer 15. The word behind 6. 6 is a code. 6 is a code. The word behind 6 is 10. So here is a coding. So don't hesitate. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask, and hope you will be clear. If you have any question, please let me know. If all is okay, then we move to next step. So there is a no compulsory thing. I am just going to explain the role of or function of this screen. Screen 1 is used for writing a script, and screen 2 is show its output. Yes, Rahim. Okay. Please share your screen. I allow you. Please share your screen. I open your mic. Please let me know what you want to say. Please open your mic. And kindly, you don't need to run these lines. I am just showing you the working of these two screens. So
Okay.
you don't need to run these lines.
Okay.
Please, I have opened your mic. Okay. Okay. So the script file is used for writing script, while the console shows the results. While the third screen is very important, it is used to import dataset, also show history and other packages which we have installed, and also show tutorials. But the most important thing is here is the import dataset. When you click here, import dataset, you can see different options from text-based, from text reader, from Excel, from SPSS, from SAS, and from statistical. So if you have these type of files, you can import in R, while if you have other type of file formats like shape files, CVS, text file, FASTQ file, yeah, any other format you can import easily. No issue. Don't worry. These are only just showing 6 format, but you can import each and every type of format in uh, RStudio. Okay. Now the Fourth screen is very important. It's showing packages. The most important thing, it's showing packages, plots, files, and help, viewer, and presentations. But our use is for files. Our use is with files, plot, and packages. When you click on packages, you can see a list of packages available within our R Studio. These packages you can see are default packages. We don't need to install these packages. Okay. So screen number one, using for writing script. Screen number two, show results. Screen number three, show our file in the form of Excel or other formats. While screen number four, show plots. When we draw plot on our data set, it show the plot in screen number four. And it also show packages in screen number four. So when you click on packages, you can find a list of lot number of packages. So these are the very important term, packages. So what are the packages? Hope you have got it, the name and function of all these four screens. Please, if you have any confusion or not understanding about what is the function of screen number one, screen two, screen three, or screen four, you can discuss with me. If okay, then I move to next step. Actually, these are very basic classes, so I am going slowly, and after your confirmation, you have got it, and then I will move to next step. If you miss these steps, you will be unable to understand a lot of things in. Okay. Yes, you have new, not new versions. Um, okay. First, let me explain screen number three. Then I come to uh, Akbar John Rosimo message. And because in our previous class, I already discussed about you need to upgrade your packages, upgrade your RStudio. So screen number three is used to import file. For example, I have this option from Excel. Click on Excel, you browse it, and from desktop, click on Ficus. I already sent this file to you in. You don't need to do practice. You just listen me what I am showing you. Here is just I am teaching you about our introduction. But when I ask you do practice, then you do practice. Please first listen carefully. When I ask you, please do practice, no, then you need to do practice. Otherwise, you will listen carefully and understand what I am saying. No, you can say file is imported in screen number three, and it will also show the result in screen number one. Okay, hope you will get it. And one more important question is from Akbar John. Please share your screen, Akbar John. Can you share your screen? Show me your screen, then I will suggest you what you do.
Sorry, I will reopen my screen now. You can continue.
Akbar John, I allowed you.
Can you hear me? You can continue.
Please share your screen. Because first classes are difficult and some participants face issues. Akbar John, please share your screen.
Don't wait me. I will send. Just continue, please.
Your voice is very slow. You can't, okay, you can't share your screen. Please send me message. What are you saying? Okay. Now we move to next step. What are the packages? This is the most important questions. And if you understand what are the packages, you get 40% of your training. What are the packages? This is a very important questions. I will take an examples. For example, in our class, Mr. Rahim. For example, Mr. Rahim is a sorry, Mr. Rahim plus his supervisor. Suppose Mr. Rahim is a PhD scholar and he is sitting with his supervisor in his office. His supervisor say that there is a small liquid in a beaker. Please, Mr. Rahim, find the concentration of iron in this solution. Mr. Rahim supervisors say, please find or calculate the iron concentration in this sample. Mr. Rahim, the first question arise should be in Mr. Rahim is, which instrument should be used for calculating iron concentration? When his supervisor say, please find its temperature, the first question should be arise in Mr. Rahim mind is, which instrument will be used for measuring temperature? When Mr. Rahim supervisor say, please find microorganism in this solution or in this water or in this beaker, the first question should be arise in his mind, which instrument should be used for measuring or for finding microorganisms. So for measuring iron concentration, he need atomic absorption spectrophotometer. To measure temperature, he need thermometer. To find the microorganism, he need microscope. So in our real life, we need different instrument to perform any task. For example, I am teaching you in live via Zoom, but I need an instrument that is laptop or mobile. When we want to travel from one place to another place, we need an instrument or machine that is vehicle, car, motorbike. Similarly in R, as in our biological lab, chemistry lab, or other labs, different type of instruments are found and each but in the case of R, the name of these instrument is packages. Similarly, as in as in biological lab or any other lab, as in biological lab or in any other labs, there are a lot of instruments and each instrument have a specific function. Similarly, in the case of R, also instrument used for specific functions, but in the case of R, these are all known as packages. Similarly, microscope is a package, atomic absorption spectrophotometer is a package, mobile phone is a package. These are an instrument, but in the case of R programming, we say this instrument is a package. No, you will be clear more when we move to next step. Okay. For example, I send you a file. Here is a file named ficus. I send you in group. I sent this file already in group. Please download this file and save it in desktop. Please download this file. Please after downloading, type done. When you save this file on desktop, please type done in chat. I have shared a file named ficus within WhatsApp group. Please save this file on your computer desktop and type done. Okay. For example, Mr. Rahim supervisor say, here is a file named ficus. Please import this file into R. Here, I clean this. Here is a brush button. You can clean it from here. I clean this file. No. Mr. Rahim supervisor say, please import ficus file in R. Now Mr. Rahim get another task, that is how to import file. The first question should be arise in his mind. The question should be arise in his mind. Which package will be used to import ficus file into R? So his supervisor replied that read Excel machine or read Excel instrument will be used. Similarly, when his supervisor say that calculate iron concentration, the first question should be arise in Rahim mind is which instrument will be used. But his supervisor replied that atomic absorption spectrophotometer will be used. So similarly, when his supervisor say, please import ficus file or Excel file, ficus file or any Excel file in R, the first question should be arised in Rahim mind is that which package will be used for or to import file from our laptop to our studio. His supervisor replied that we need read Excel. We need a package name read Excel. Okay. No, all participants, please no practice with me. Step by step, do practice with me or follow with me. Hope all participants have done or copy or save or download ficus file into your computer. No. Come on, packages. We need to we need read Excel package. We need read Excel machine to import ficus file from our computer to our programming. So come on screen number 4. Please all participants come on screen number 4. Click on packages. After clicking on packages, right here, read Excel. Type here read Excel and let me know. Can you see here read Excel or not? Have you found read Excel? Please come on screen number 4. Click on packages. After clicking on packages, you can find here search bar. In search bar, just type read Excel. All participants, please check this and let me know. Have you found read Excel? Yes or no? No. All participants, please. Shahidul Islam, thanks. Thanks. No. Yes. Okay. One participant already have this package. Only 4 participants have replied. 5 participants have replied while joining 10 participants. Okay. Maximum participant don't have this package. Okay. No. You can see here is another corner name install. Update and install. Come on install button or press install button. All participants press install button. When you press install button, a mini form will be open in front of you. It's showing that install from packages, install to library. You need to just type here read Excel. Type here read Excel. Type here read Excel and click install button and click install button. It's showing that do you want to or prefer to reinstall. He's showing me you have already. So if you want to install, restart it. Okay, I am showing yes. But in your case, you maybe not get this message. Your installation will be start within screen number 2. So you when you run it, you will get a message with red lines like this warning. Tool is required to build in our packages but is not currently installed. And after this warning, your R Studio download file from internet and a red dot will be appear in screen number 2 with this brush button. So when our installation process is complete, a red dot disappear and here is a final results package. Read Excel successfully unpack MD5 sum checked. All participants confirm. Have you got these lines? Package read Excel successfully unpacked. package read Excel successfully unpacked. If done, please type done. Okay. Now we have instrument which will be used to import this focus file from desktop to our programming or our software. So similarly, we come again to our biological lab or chemical lab when we are going to start with atomic absorption spectrophotometer or any other instrument, because today all type of instruments are electronics. So when we want to work on a specific instrument, we need to turn on this instrument or activate this instrument. Hope you will be understand. In the case of R, similarly as in biological lab, chemistry lab, or any other lab, when we want to use an instrument, similarly, when you want to use laptop, you need to turn on your laptop. When you want to use mobile phone, you need to turn on your mobile phone. When you want to need your car, you need to start your car. Similarly, in R, when you want to need or you when want to use any package, you need to activate it, turn on it, or start it. Okay. Here is a word, very important word, that is library. When you type here is a library and select first one, library. What is mean by library? In the term of R, library mean turn on. Library mean turn on or activate or start. So when you want to active or turn on any package, so read Excel is a package. Read Excel is a instrument. In the case of biological lab, chemistry lab, or other labs, but in the case of R Studio, we say it is a package. But when we want or talk about biological lab, these are a instrument. In the case of R, these name are the packages, and each packages have a specific function. And one more important thing is that to work with any package, we need to turn on this package. Without, similarly, as I give example, uh, you need when you want to work on your laptop, you need to turn on your laptop. Similarly, when you want to do work with read Excel, you need to turn on read Excel. So how we turn on read Excel? To turn on read Excel, you need to type here library. Here is a code or function library. Library means turn on. And within bracket, type package name which you want to turn on. Type here read Excel. Type here read Excel and click anywhere in this line. Start, end, center, anywhere in the line. You can also select this complete line. You can also just click within line and press run button. No, you can see two changes. One is read Excel is typed here, similarly as we typed above. And one more change is in screen number 4. You can see a tick mark appear in screen number 4 with or in front of read Excel. Please done this step and let me know. All participants, please done this step. Please do library and type done. Great. Okay. No. Mr. Rahim, supervisor, say that please import this file into R. No. All participants come on import dataset. Click on import dataset. Select here Excel. Click on Excel from Excel. You can see another window. It's showing that browse. So click on browse button. It show or show option to choose or select your file. Browse. No, it takes you to your laptop. Select the location where your file is found. In my case, it is found in desktop. And so select here from Ficus. No, you can see preview of this file. After preview, here is our two button, import or cancel. You need to click on import. After this, after pressing this button, your file will be imported in global environment as well as in screen number 1. To turn on read Excel, please I repeat this step. Mojbina, please kindly listen carefully. To turn on this package, you need to use word library. Type library, library. When you type library, you get 3 suggestions. Select one, library, and 2 brackets are open. Within brackets, type read Excel and run it. No, your read Excel activated or turn on. And now it's clear. Jabina, kindly let me know. No, it's clear. All participants, please done this step. Click on Ficus button. Take your screenshot of your screen or take your picture and send it in WhatsApp group. I give you 2 minutes. Please complete this step. So we move to next step. After done, take a screenshot, copy, and paste it within WhatsApp group. And all participants, please let me know, have you done, because it is very important step to import file. If you don't know how to import file, you are unable to do any type of analysis. So you need to practice again and again on importing, how to import data set or file in R. Just only 2 participants. Please, Jabina, can you share your screen? Muhammad Jabina, can you share your screen? Okay, you have done. Great. Please all participants let me know because it is a live training and you need to do or perform each and everything live. You also get recording. Okay, now you have done. Now we move to next step. I am just today I'm just showing you a simple plot in R. Just type here plot, type within ficus. No, you will get a simple plot just typing a ficus without any giving many or more instructions. We just it give us a default plot. We just click on plot ficus. It give us a plot. So it is showing that screen one is used to writing a script. Screen number two is used show results. Our script is working or not working, while screen number three is showing our imported data files or file which we have import. And screen number four also showing the plot, but is a very rough plot and is a just I am want to show screen the use of screen number four. So just type here plot and word ficus. You can get a very beautiful and attractive plot, but not attractive plot in screen number four. Hope you have got it. And now I am revising what you have learned and what you have need to remember today class. Now, first thing we have learned about four screens: screen one, screen two, screen three, and screen number four. The name of the screen, script file, console, global environment, packages. Function of the screen, one is for writing script, two, show the result, three, show us our file or show or give a way or path or door to import or for importing a Excel file. And screen four, show packages and plots. I hope you have got it all these steps. Now in our next class, we will draw plots, basic plots in R. So our today next class or tomorrow class is about basic plots in R. And hopefully you will be done a lot of plots after getting this class. If I show you about okay, Shahidullah Islam, please if unable to draw plot, don't worry. It's just I want to show you here is we can draw plot. Okay, there is no practice on plotting today. I am just it is the just you need to know how these screens work. Screen one show script, two result, three file our data set or Excel file, and screen four plot. You don't need to draw any plot. You just today your task is just uh, install package, activate package, and import package. Three things you must be need to revise. These are very important to about from today class. That is install packages, how to install packages, how to activate or turn on packages, and third, how to import Excel file in R. If you need to install package agricole, you just click on packages. First search here. If you find agricole, in my case, I already have this package agricole. Here is a agricole, but in your case, you maybe not have this package. So if you have this package, you don't need to install. But please follow me and do practice one by one. Inshallah, hopefully you will be get and all things and enjoy this learning. Okay. If you have any other question, please. We install a lot of packages during our training. Don't worry. You just need to learn how to install. Here is the install button. Any package package name you want to run or you want to use, just type here, and a list is open. You can just click agricole and install button. Your package will be installed. Okay. And thanks you all participant. Hope you have got, because these are a very beginning classes. But when you move from beginning to advance, day by day, you will get more and more, and you will enjoy and working on plots again and again. And you just need to focus on basic things, that is reading, writing, editing, and generating. So today we next our next class is about basic plot in R, as well as we practice for writing and reading a script. So today class is sorry next day class is very important. So be careful and must join this class. How to install packages? Just come on screen number 4. Here is a button package. Click on packages. You can see two buttons, update and install. Click on install button. And here you type just read Excel. Select read Excel and press button install. After pressing this button, your package will be working and will be going to install or will be installed, and you can see a red dot appear in screen number 2, and red lines will be appear here, look like this. And after a few seconds, when this red dot appear, wait until this red dot appear. When this red dot disappear, your package will be successfully unpacked or failed. So be careful. Be carefully read last line, last comments. What is are saying your package successfully installed or failed. If failed, you need to try it again. But if it show your package successfully installed, here it's showing that package successfully unpacked. It's mean our package is successfully installed. Okay. Thanks. Goodbye, all participants. And if you have any more questions, you can ask within WhatsApp group. And I created another separate group for registered participant. So it is requested all registered participant please join registered batch, because our next class link will be shared in registered batch only. Thank you so much.